Hey guys, Google have always come up with innovative technologies and solutions which will make our life always easy. And Google is world's most popular search engine. Today I'm not going to talk to you about the Google search engine. I'm going to talk about Google search app, the right one which is over here. Okay, it might be already there in your smartphone. If it's not there, I will recommend you to download and install it. I will give the link on the description. I'm today going to share 8 hidden features of Google search app. So let's start. Open the Google search app. Once the app is open, just click on the square over there which is called Google Lens. Once Google Lens is open, the camera shows something in front of the camera for you to search. Whatever items you show, Google will just search and find out the result what it is about. So if you don't know about something, you can just show the item over there and you can find the result. So let me try to search about something else. Okay, let's search about the bike. And yeah, it's searching and you got the result. Okay, it's a very cool feature. Now let's search for the Google games. Let me search for the snake game. It's something similar to our old Nokia phone game. So just click on play. You can swipe your finger on the screen to control the snake. So it's like a same game which we have in 2010 Nokia games. Okay. Now we have one more game called tic-tac-toe. So let us search tic-tac-toe. Let us search it, and here it comes. So tic-tac-toe you can play with the computer. So let me just try to play with my Google, and yeah, that's it. Now let's go for the world's most amazing game, Pac-Man. And the beauty of Pac-Man is you can play Pac-Man game in landscape mode also. So let me just rotate the phone, and we can have the full Pac-Man, the music always. Okay, so this is one of our old favorite retro game. So we can have the same retro game on Google search app. By the way, this works also on a Google browsers. Okay, and these features which I have shown here, except Google Lens, the games which should work on Google as well. Now let's search color picker. Color picker will help us to select the color. You have to select the color, you have to find, and normally when you're using Photoshop you can have to give the RGB value or the CYMK value. Now let us search Metronome. Metronome app will find to check our heartbeat rate and other things. Breathing exercise. So next one is breathing exercise which will help us to control our breath. If you have anxiety, we can try other. So let me try to play. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now the next hidden feature is bubble level. So if you have to fix something on the wall, something, you can just open bubble level, tap to activate, give the access to the sensors, and done. You can use your phone, your smartphone as a bubble level when you are fixing something. You don't have to find a water level or something. Okay, this is a very cool feature which you can use. The next hidden feature is weather. Just search weather on your Google search app. It will open the weather app and show what is the current weather, and it will show for a week. Next one is Google Translate. Just type translate, and you can paste whatever you have, and it will detect the language. It will show the translation in English. So let me just open a SMS in Arabic. I copied it, I pasted it over there. Select, paste, and see the answer is over here. Cool feature, right? Now the last one, just open Google Translate app. Okay, in Translate app you have to click on camera. It will ask to have the access for the camera. And if you don't know any language, and if you want to see something written on other language, so let me just scan this bottle. It's not in English, it is getting translated to Arabic. Okay, let me try the front side. Aldo. Okay, cleaner. So it's showing the Aldo cleaners Arabic name over here. Let me just keep the camera out of focus and try to focus again. Yeah, done. It is translating while using the visual camera. This is very cool. So guys, I would love to have a feedback from your side. So please let me know your feedback on the comment section. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to this channel and let me know your feedback. Okay, always take care. Bye.